Welcome to the 2020 Brinc Online Demo Day. It's been a year of many challenges, and I can't tell you how lucky I feel and how lucky I believe we should all feel for being safe and sound. This year, we decided to move all of our programs globally online in a means to be able to continue to support great game-changing startups and founders continue to pursue their dreams in building incredible, life-changing businesses. As the world adapts to what looks like it's our new normal for the upcoming future, our programs have gone entirely online. In the past, we were partially online and partially offline. This year, in order to ensure that we could take care of everyone's safety, our mentors, our partners, our corporate stakeholders, our investors have been supporting all of our great founders over the internet through a variety of different means. It's been different. It's been something that we're all getting used to, I think, as we all try and see how we can build that personal connection over the internet. It's been a very busy year for us also at Brinc. We've launched a new program in Australia with Artesian. We've launched a new food tech program in China with Lever VC. We've kicked off a new partnership with Mount Parker and launched a supply chain and logistics accelerator. And we've recently launched a fantastic new co-working space in the Middle East called Diwan. We're super excited to show you all the latest and greatest that's going on today with our portfolio. These new companies that are represented in the demo day that you're about to see represent our core thesis of helping people improve how they live, how they feel, how they move, and how they eat. We couldn't think of a more apt time to be focusing on investing in founders that are truly looking to push boundaries and help us build a more sustainable, more inclusive, and a better future. We're excited for you to sit back and enjoy and navigate this demo day through automated playlists or by selecting the specific videos and the specific verticals and founders that you'd like to watch. Thank you so much, and please do reach out to us as well as the founders if you have any questions or you'd like to learn more about the great work that the founders are continuing to do or the work that we're doing at Brinc.